welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a speed cleaning of the upstairs. It's not going to be a deep clean, but I am going to go through the entire upstairs and just give stuff a good wipe down, pick up, and make it appear clean. So if you want to come along with me and clean with me, just keep watching. Alright, so I know I said this wasn't a deep clean, and it's not, but I'm just going through really quick and tidying up my makeup area. I had new products that I needed to put back in my daily makeup case, and a lot of times I'll shop my stash and switch things out. So that's what I'm doing first. Moving on to the boys' bathroom, I had some clean towels that I just needed to put away real quickly, and then I'm also going to wipe down their countertop with just a Clorox wipe. I need to show you something. It's so gross. In real life. Okay, this is where my son sleeps. Can you guess what that is? Yeah, that needs cleaned. This is what it's like to have boys. And I'm using Thieves Cleaner. I'm just going to spray this whole wall down. What else is Now that their room is all picked up, I did go ahead and decide to remove all the little Paw Patrol stickers from the wall and their little hanging pictures as well, just because they're a little bit old for that now. Now moving on to my bedroom, I'm just giving the furniture and the shutters a light dusting, as well as my fan. Many times I'll use end dust and do a really thorough cleaning, but today I just wanted it to be nice and quick and just get all the dust off. And next I'm just moving on to the little sitting room that's right off our master bedroom. I don't often show this room because there's not a whole lot going on in here. We do have a little sitting area here as well as my elliptical. And then my husband recently purchased this big desk off of the Facebook swap page and he got it for like $100. He's so proud of his little computer area over here. So anyway, I'm just giving this a light dusting as well. And then we rearranged some furniture in here. So in just a moment, I'm going to go through the bookshelves and just kind of shuffle stuff around. And I took the opportunity to go through some old pictures and reminisce. It was kind of fun. And last but not least, I'm just gonna vacuum the entire upstairs. Now, you might have noticed I didn't touch the playroom or my oldest son's room. That's because he's responsible for his own room. On the weekends, he'll clean, dust, and vacuum. And then the playroom actually wasn't too bad now that I did that huge purge from that room not that long ago. So yeah, that is it. Okay, so I'm all done cleaning the upstairs. Everything's all cleaned up. Don't mind my messy bed. I did not fix it. I just did real quick speed clean of the entire upstairs and dusted a little bit and cleaned the bathroom. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you're new, I do weekly videos. I would love for you to subscribe. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button on your way out and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.